Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you have a Ford Mustang from the year 2005 through 2014 and you're wondering if you can actually install a bigger battery on this guy, well, the answer to that is yes. Let me just pop the hood over here. You can walk over to the front and let me show you what I just did. And bam, here it is. This is what we have. We have Everstart Platinum from Walmart. This is your H6 or Group 48, I think they call it. 760 cca, 120 reserve capacity, 70 ampere hours, because out of the box we get a smaller battery, which is Group 96R from Ford or Motocraft, but you can obviously put in a bigger battery. No clearance issues, nothing like that. Post terminals are on the correct side as well, and they're not popping out, so you have this thing covering the post terminals, and installation is pretty easy. So without any further delay, let me show you how you can install a bigger battery on your Ford Mustang from the year 2005 through 2014, which in fact is the S197 platform. So here it is. We have removed our battery tray. We of course are covering our positive red terminal with a cloth so that we do not short anything out, and the battery tray is held in place by 3 7 mm bolts. One is here, one is here, and one is here down the middle. So now we can go to our battery tray, which we have removed. So this is the battery tray from the Ford Mustang 2013 over here. These are the 3 8 mm bolts which are holding it in place, and this is how it goes in. So this side goes towards the driver, and if you notice, oops, the spacers fell out. So on either side you will see these spacers which are present over there, and these can pop out pretty easily. So we're going to remove these. We don't need these anymore because we are going to try and fit the Group H6 instead of this 96R which we have from Motocraft. So this is the 96R which we have from Motocraft. This is original Ford, and this is the battery which we're going to try and install. So this is Group H6 AGM battery. Here it is, folks. I have the H6 battery here on the tray of the Ford Mustang. You can see it fits perfectly. I have removed the spacers from each side. So now we're going to go and install this battery tray back and install this H6 AGM bigger battery on our 2013 Ford Mustang. So here it is. The hood is closed, and now we're gonna go inside and pop the hood over here, and then we can try seeing what battery we have in here. So let me try to open the hood. Bam, there it is. You can see we have the Everstart H6 AGM battery installed over here. I haven't connected the battery terminals because I was checking if there is enough clearance, and yes, there is enough clearance. The hood closes perfectly. And before I forget, the only thing you might have to change is get a longer strap or something else to secure the battery, because this one over here might not be long enough now. But the H6 AGM battery fits perfectly like a boss on this Mustang 2013, which means it should be a perfect fit for those of you who are looking for a bigger battery on your 2005 through 2014 Ford Mustangs, aka the S197 platform. Here it is, folks. We are up and running. Group H6 bigger battery installed on the Ford Mustang over here, and this here is the Ford battery which we have just removed. Motocraft Group 96R. So easy peasy. All you have to do is remove these two spacers over here. Make sure you strap down your battery. Might have to get a bigger strap, and that's it. It is just plug and play, and that should give you some more juice from the battery on your Ford Mustang's S197 platform.